Şimdi bugün uçak oyunu oynayacağız. Uçak patlatacağız.
Attention, squadron! Protect the friendly military camp. You have to focus your fire on the bombers. Engage all enemy fighters. We're counting on you. We know you can do it. Understood. Out.
Yeşillerde bizim
Enemy locked on. Enemy down. Got him in sight. I got him.
ezip geçiyoruz.
Incoming bandits. Hostile fighters. Enemy locked on. Bomber destroyed. Got him in sight. This is focus on the target. It's under heavy fire. Enemy down. Hostile bomber spotted. I'm hit. I'm hit. I'm on it. Please going down. Enemy locked on. Enemy down. I've got visual on enemy fighters. Got him in sight. Lots of smoke coming out. I have it. Bomber no longer a threat. You've got bombers coming in. I'm on it. I'm on it. Fighter destroyed. Enemy locked on. I'm closing in for the shot. Bomber no longer a threat. I'm on it. Nice shot. I got that bomber. Mission critical target destroyed. Got him in sight. Lots of smoke coming out. You've got incoming enemy fighters. Get ready.
Oo, sen bir tane daha varmış.
I'm on it.
Ama çok hızlı kaçtı.
Lots of smoke coming out. I'm closing in for the shot.
İkiye vurduk.
That's confirmed kill on enemy fighter. Objective completed.
Görüşürüz arkadaşlar.
Target is secure. Mission